Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this look with the Daisy Marquez's palette. So if y'all want to see how I did this look, make sure to stay tuned, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, and also follow me on my social media. It'll be linked down below. Let's get right onto the video, okay? The first thing I will be doing is gluing my eyebrows down, and I'm using that glue. I use a spoolie to fix the hairs however I want to. That's up to you. I love using that because it sticks my hairs to my skin. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. pomade to outline my brows and add little hair-like strokes wherever I need it. I like my brows straight now. I really don't like to do like the glam brows. I really am loving the straight brows. I feel like it brings my features up. So I'm like lining it, but when I line it forward. I also shaved like half of my brow, so that makes it easier to do. Anyways, the concealer I will be using is going to be the Too Faced Born This Way in shade Marshmallow, and I'm going to conceal my brow and just add some concealer to my lid, and I will be using that as my primer for my eyelid. And I like to go in with the sponge and just blend all that concealer thoroughly. We are using the Daisy Marquez's palette with BH Cosmetics. The first shade I'm using, it is going to be Passion Fruit, and I will be putting that all over my lid, and I'll be bringing the shade upwards towards my brow and kind of like smoking it out a bit just so it could blend out with my other colors. The color I will be using next, it's going to be the shade called Daisy. It's like a greenish, no, it's like a bluish Tiffany shade. I think so. That's what she was saying, that she loves Tiffany. But I'm gonna add that above the Passion Fruit shade. I know it like makes it dull, but I go in back with Passion Fruit and then I blend them onto each other, and it just blends better and I like it. So I keep adding the colors back and forth till I get what I want to get. As you can see right now, I'm blending with the same concealer. I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using the Bare Minerals concealer brush, and that's my favorite. I put a little bit of lash glue and make it straight, so it lets me cut my crease more perfect, and I really don't struggle with that. I also go back in with my finger and I blend the concealer out. I think that's more seamless for other colors to blend in. I'll be using the shade Icy, and I'll be adding that to half of the lid where I cut my crease, and then I'll be using the shade Lucid. That's like a purple holographic shade, and I'll be adding that to the end of the cut crease just to make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. And I'm gonna go back in with Passion Fruit and blend those colors to each other just so it can blend really amazing and look like everything is where it's supposed to be. I already prepped my face. I used the Pond's, and after I use the Pond's, I'm gonna use the MAC STROBELIGHT in shade Silverlight, and I love this because it makes your foundation look good AF. Sorry. The foundation I'll be using is Born This Way by Too Faced in shade SWAN. It's because I'm very light, but anyways. The concealer I'm using is a MAC Studio Fix in NW10. That's the lightest one I could find because I'm really freaking pale, and I still want like the bottom of my eyes to pop out. Not the bottom of my eyes, the bottom of my, like, you know what I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Once we blend it out, we're gonna use a Too Faced setting powder, and I love this powder because it gives you like a flawless finish. I put this all over my face, and to contour I will be using this. It's by Tarte. I don't know what it's called, but it was like a gift, so I'm using like the contouring shade, and I'm using the blush as well from that palette. I love the two colors of blush on there. Oh my god, they are freaking to die for. But I'm just contouring like normal, my nose, my forehead, my cheekbones. I don't do my jawline. I do it sometimes when I feel like I need to, but most of the time I don't do my jawline. That's why I feel like I look like I have freaking a triple chin. The blush, I do this weird face so I can see where the apples of my cheeks are, but I freaking contour the heck out of my forehead. My forehead is huge, so in pictures, videos, it looks big, so I want to contour that mother F. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the mess that I made with the contouring shade, and I'm gonna go with the same translucent powder I used to set my face. The lippy I'll be using to outline my lips is the Strip Down by MAC. This is one of my favorite shades. I like to put concealer on the top of my lids because I feel like the liner glides on way better, and you can do whatever shape you want, and you like literally don't struggle at all. So here's a little moment of me like showing y'all how I overline my lips, because I'm the fucking queen of overlining lips since I have zero lips. I hate my lips. I just can't sometimes. I feel like they're too tiny, so I have to like overlight them a lot. I don't know if y'all feel me, but if y'all do, make sure y'all leave a comment down below and like, so I know that y'all feel my pain as well. But I'm shading all that in. I like to put that color kind of all over my lips, and then like I make it a little bit dark, and I go in with a dose of colors. The shade name is Barely There, and I think it's a collaboration. I put that in the center of my lips, and I like to blend that out with my fingers so it could like blend a little better, or like you can use like a lip brush or anything like that, you know. I was kind of singing Billie Eilish right there, you know, having one of those moments. But I love this lip combination. It's like really one of my go-to combinations. I really need a new lip combo, so if y'all know any really good lip combos, let me know down below. I'll be using the NORVIAN palette in the shade Soul to pop that underneath my eye to make my eye look bigger and brighter. Me without lashes, me with lashes. That's how it goes, you know. The look looks way better with the lashes. And I'm using the Jeffree Star setting spray, and for my highlight I'll be using the JCAT highlight in Pink Goddess, and I like applying that all over my freaking face like everything else, on the tip of my nose especially. Okay loves, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the look and everything all together. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to give it a like, make sure to do what you gotta do. Follow my social media like I said before, and I will be doing a giveaway at 1K. So if you do subscribe to my channel, make sure you comment on one of my videos and say done, already subscribed, and that's how you'll enter to my giveaway. And let's get this. I'll see y'all next time on my video. Bye.